Okay, now this is something that everyone must have in their tech bag, like a creator, like me. Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTech, and here we have the unboxing of this Ugreen 2-in-1 USB Type-C and USB 3.0 SD card reader. Now this can also be used as an external storage given that you have an SD card, and actually this is ideal for anyone that uses smart devices. This is a really versatile adapter that can use your SD card from a laptop to a smartphone. So okay, let's open the box here. Well, it seems that we have two seals here, so there is one on each side, so we can just cut them open. I think that I can do that by hand, but okay, why waste time on this? I have a pair of scissors here, so I can cut them up. Okay, here we have it. We can just cut them open here, the one side and the other one. And that's how it goes. So we can open this up and check closely the product itself. Now there's a lot of cardboard here while opening, and okay, here we have it. Here it is. And now apart from that, I guess we have all the essential paperwork here, and the box is empty. So here we have something that looks like a recyclable material indicator. Okay, and oh, what is this? We have a keychain attachment of sorts. I really like this one. And here we have the manual, I guess, and the warranty. Now, I don't know why this is an Australia and New Zealand limited warranty. I don't know what happens to the rest of the world. Now, here we have the Ugreen manual and the user instruction. So let's check the manual first. Well, it seems that it's this really long leaflet in various languages. I really appreciate that it has some icons here that can relate on how we are connecting this device to our laptop or smartphone. Well, I'm counting lots of languages here, still counting. They say the same thing, just plug this to your device and transfer your files. So that's it. So okay, that was the manual. So let's check now the user instruction. Now yet again, it is another leaflet that opens like that in various languages, and I cannot see any more useful instruction here, to be honest. The manual gets you covered in everything you need to know. So okay, that was it. So let us check the device itself. It comes with this cardboard and it's covered in this extra packaging material here. Now this feels really interesting, but let's just open this one and check it closely. As you can see, it's not the smallest one that is in the market, but okay. Now I really like this one. I mean, the build quality of this feels really premium. Now here we have the USB 3.0 end of it, and on the other side, oh shoot. Okay, here it is. That was a really tight fit. Now this cap really locks to place. Okay, so that must be for the keychain. Okay, here we have the USB Type-C, and the whole body has this metallic dark tone that I really like, the logo here. Here we have the full and the small one SD card reader ports on a unibody metal, and here we have a plastic holder to attach the keychain holder mini cord here. So this is connected here with your keyring. So let's open this up and connect it to our main body of our adapter, something like that. Okay, that's really nice. It has a really small hook here. You can open up this tiny keyring and connect it. Now this is a little bit hard for me to do it, but I'll try it. Now overall, this 2-in-1 device for SD card reading was a surprise to me. The build quality is really great. I really like the material used for the unibody design. It looks like a dark metal alloy, something like aluminum. It is not really heavy, but it feels sturdy. It is really versatile. You can just use a USB Type-C device or a laptop with a USB 3.0 port, and you can read any type of SD card there is. The keychain addition is a really welcome one once I'm able to attach this one here. Something like that. And to sum up, this one is really a great choice. So this was the unboxing of the Ugreen SD card reader. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.